Okay, so in order to get the steering head off, it looks like there's a couple of bolts right in here. Those got to come out, and then hopefully that whole shaft will pivot up. If I remove that bracket right in there, I'll have to take this off first. Bolt head there and a bolt head in here. Hopefully this whole bracket here will come right off the case. Alright, after great difficulty, this bumper bolt snapped off, so I need new bumpers for the steering. After great difficulty, I finally got this bolt to come out. That one came out pretty easy. This one was difficult and I didn't want to break the damn thing. So that's the steering stop. So that should be the whole steering assembly now should be loose. You can see right back in there this plate here. I just got to take out some mounting bolts now. 1, 2, 3, and then the drive shaft. Oh, you can see that. Just slides right out. Of course, you got to do it a little harder than that, but you can see it moving. It comes right out. Okay, so I've taken out the differential mount bolts. Tried to get this one here out, but the upper A-arm is in the way, so I ended the bracket here. So that would come out. I pulled the drive shaft back and then pulled the other end a little bit forward and dropped it down. So now this whole thing now, whole differential should be loose. So this thing comes right out like that. That's the front differential. You can see here the bearings are shot on the main drive, and who knows about the rest of it. That's beyond my technology, so I'm going to send it in and get it rebuilt. On the front differential here, I also noticed when I was taking it apart, there's absolutely no oil in here. I even checked the drain plug. So this thing's been running dry. That would explain for all the failures.